The global pet food industry's biggest show of the year, Petfood Forum, starts the week off with Petfood Essentials, a deep dive into various topics about the pet food industry. And in 2024, it was pet treats that continue to rank among the fastest growing categories of the pet food market. Product innovation and benefits, and marketing.
Petfood Essentials is also a great day of just learning new trends, industry topics. So the first speaker was great, just understanding just what's going on with the consumers and what's popular right now. And then just it's fun to do the workshops that they have and interact with the people that attend. So there's just a variety of exhibitors and attendees that are walking the floor. So it's just a great opportunity to meet the appropriate people.
Attendees of Petfood Essentials meet with industry peers throughout the day as speakers reveal insights about pet snacking, how to get a pet treat concept to market, pet supplements, the latest research on functional ingredients, the ins and outs of pet treat safety, and other important subject matters in the pet food industry.
As you've heard with not only my presentation, but a number of the presentations today, the pet food industry and pet treat industry is driven by innovation. All the content at this meeting is tremendously beneficial and valuable, and I think if you want to be in the business, then you want to be on top of the current trends, not only innovation, but business drivers, other considerations that can be benefits to your business as well as consumer demand.
But that's not all, as attendees of Petfood Essentials get an opportunity to team up for a unique competition to see how they work together using marketing strategies and innovative ideas. The competition is fierce but fun, as the camaraderie amongst the groups shows that the future of the pet food industry is in good hands.
It's just everybody is here, everybody's excited to be here, and everybody's here to learn. It's great for us as a pet food company to connect with our suppliers and our co-manufacturers, and we don't really have to talk about ourselves as a brand, as some of the other trade shows. It's really our opportunity to learn.
Make plans to attend next year's Petfood Essentials, the interactive informal educational pre-show seminar held prior to Petfood Forum, and take a deep dive into the topics that are on the hot seat in the global pet food industry. Because when you get your ticket to Essentials, you'll open up a whole new perspective to the pet food industry.